attend every WEP every year because of this beautiful cohesion between, you know, the research environment and as well as the experience from other disciplines that we see here in WEP.
It was a great opportunity to network with people who already kind of went into their career and advanced.
I feel it's really a period when you can learn a lot and you can meet lots of new people, connect to them, and this might be impactful for your future development.
The place to communicate, network, and get challenged or inspired by people's presentations and achievements.
I want to share my experience, tell them my story and how KAUST contributed positively to my professional journey.
We're so excited to be here again, to see the old friends, the Red Sea.
I'm very happy to somehow give back by being present.